Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is regarding some of the stocks that were mentioned by my subscriber and also non-subscriber because those were mentioned in the comment section. So I will be covering those stocks about the price point and what could happen. And the stocks are actually ticker symbol GEVO, GEVO, ticker symbol GRIL, GRIL, ticker symbol FCEL, which is fuel cell, then ticker symbol ACB, Aurora Cannabis, and ticker symbol ZYNE. So in this video, I will talk about their price action mostly. And in my previous video, as I mentioned, there is a fake account who is replying, suggesting to contact different person, to make WhatsApp number and everything. That's not me. Whenever you see same logo, same name, but without a gray background, that's not me. This is me, the first one we see with 8 hours ago, the stock analyst with a gray background. This is me. Anything without that, don't trust, don't pay any money, do not contact. I'm not gonna forward you to someone else. I'm here for you. So let's start. The first one is GEVO. This is fuel clean energy company. I know, like, they had a massive run after the new government, then it was really beaten when there was a market correction. So all the big names like Plug, Fuel Cell, all those came out. But what's that? They are building new plants, is helping GEVO scale production of fuel that should have net zero greenhouse gas emission over the life cycle of the product. And they are a little bit different compared to Fuel Cell and a Plug Power because they work, let me see, yeah, so basically they work by utilizing the waste and capturing carbon. So they are a little bit of different thing. I'm not going to cover the fundamentals. This will be a quick video. So they released their earning, and looking at the earning, it was not great. Their revenue was 0.5 million compared to 6.9 compared to 2019. Their hydrocarbon revenue also is less, and also their net operating loss is higher than the previous quarter. So nothing good. So let's go back to the chart. You can see it has a massive run up. It went up to $15, came all the way down, now trying to go up, and again it came down during last week, and currently this is sitting here. So it seems like 8.25 is a very good support. You see a gap here, but the good thing is it came down during the correction and the share price went up. So the gap is filled and seems like 8.25 around this area. Now this is a solid support. So if it comes back around 8.25, you can grab some share. On the other hand, around 10.1, 10.2-ish, this area seems like a resistance. Once this is broken, I think this stock will go even higher. It can go to 12.2, 13.3, then $14, $15. So the other thing, it could be considered as a near-term resistance. I'm gonna change the color to blue just to be consistent with the other ones. So again, you can see around $11. So once we break the $10, it can go to 11, 12, 13. You see the picture. But anyway, if it comes back to 8.3, then you can grab some share. Now let's move to the next one, which is GRIL, Muscle Maker GRIL, and they have different meal plan. You can see their meal plan program. They have a kit and everything, and there's a small video, I think, in their website with their different plan and everything. So I'm not interested to see the menu, but I can do a more fundamental analysis on this particular one, but this is not what I want in this particular video. Let's try. Yeah, so you see the boxes here. So basically you pick the plan, you pay, and that's easy. And what they're saying, this is healthy, this is not a junk food, this is ready, and this is cheaper. And that's the video. If you want, you can see just 13 seconds. Anyway, sometimes this kind of meal is very useful for working people and also for the students. So there is some good news or bad news. Anyway, looking at the chart, it went up to 3.7. It's long wick on a daily candle. It came all the way down, then tried to go up, and again the last week was volatile. It came back, and you see the last day is a green dragonfly. It's a bullish sign. So it came down but rejected at that support massively. So now it's trying to go up, which means on Monday it might break this falling wedge and it can go higher. Also, looking at the overall picture, you see the green line here around 2.2. It looks like a good support because previously the share price came down from here, a gap, then it was a resistance. Once the resistance is broken, now it became the support. So I would say if the market is red, wait for a few days, it might come down a little bit, and if it comes back around 2.2 to 2.3, grab some share and ride the wave and maybe go at least up to 2.7, 2.8, or who knows, it can complete the recovery all the way to around $3. But for now, just wait and watch and see how it's moving. The next one, fuel cell. I have covered fuel cell many times. So again, this is a clean energy, mostly on the hydrogen base, and also it was heavily beaten down. The share price came from 29 all the way to 11 at one point, and I have been averaging down for a long time, and I'm tired of averaging down. So again, you see it came down, then before the earning there was a hype, it went up to 18.2, then the earning was terrible, then it came back. Looking at the chart, seems like 18.2, 18.25, this area is a strong resistance. Once we break this part, it will go higher, and I'm bullish in long term. Definitely it will go to 20, 25, $30 again. It can take some time. Also, after the earning, you can see there is a gap, so it needs to be filled, and last 4 days is coming down. I don't know how below it can go, but look at the support here around 13.73, then around 12.6, and the $11. So I will wait for the confirmation to become full on this one. It might come down for some time, or it might consolidate sideways for a few days before it starts going back up. But what I did, cash secured put. Maybe you know. If you don't, let me know. I can make a video on this one. So what I did for April 16th, I choose a strike price of, actually I choose 11, I think, and the premium was around 70 or 80. So what I did, I sold a cash secured put, and depending on your brokerage, if you have enough cash, you can pay collateral or just lock the money. So what it means, by April 16th, if the share price does not come below 11, so the option will be worthless and you will keep the money. So if you sell that 11 strike cash secured put, you will collect $50 right away. If by April 16th the price never comes below $11, then you keep the money. And in why is updating? Okay, and worst case, if it comes below 11, then you have to buy the share at $11. But anyway, you collected the 50 premium, so your price will be 10.5. I don't mind buying the fuel cell shares, 100 shares at 10.5 if it comes at that price. Looking at the chart, it was rejected heavily from $11, so I don't think it will come like around 10.5. If it comes, I will be happy. Otherwise, by April 16th, I will just keep the money, $60. That's it. Again, if you want to know more about cash secure put, if you have lots of cash, then you can always get some passive income from this particular one. Okay, the next one is ACB, Aurora Cannabis, and again, this is a global cannabis dedicated to helping people. I made a video on Aurora Cannabis. I'm not covering, but just looking at the chart, it seems like the share price is consolidating around this area. I will just wait till this is completed, and once we see it's going up, then I will re-enter to this particular one. The last one is ZYNE, and what they are: next generation transdermal cannabinoid therapeutics to improve the lives of patients affected by rare and rare neuropsychiatric condition. Oh my god, that's tough. So I have to do some fundamental analysis. I do not know, it was a request from someone, so I'm just covering. So they also have on 10th March, they released something, and they also talk about their pipeline. I need to go through. If you want, go to their website, do your analysis, and also in the comment section, let me know what you are thinking. But just looking at the price, I think you see the two black line, so it's making lower highs and also lower lows, so it's coming down. At the same time, the support around 4.8 looks good. Previously the 4.8 was a resistance, now that could become a support. So you can, if you want, you can start your position around 4.8, or it might come down and touch that black line, then you can start some position, or maybe you can start some position around 3.7. But again, I did not do any fundamentals here, so I do not know. Maybe this share price will start going back up, and soon it might come and hit the high of 7.7, and maybe, who knows, the high of $9. Anyway, not bad, but I need some confirmation. Maybe once we start going back up, and once we go up $7, maybe I can enter. But again, this is 5.3. Again, up to you. You can start some position around $5, and if it comes down, average down, or if it goes up, ride the wave. And the confirmation will be once we break the around $6.57. Anyway, my friends, so this video is regarding some of the stocks that you mentioned. So I just wanted to quickly cover on Sunday afternoon, because tomorrow is Monday and we are gonna start the week. We want to rock and roll and we want to make money. So thanks for watching this particular video. If any of the information in this particular video helped you, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm very close to 1000 subscribers. That will be a big milestone for me. Currently, I think I am at 994, so help me to gain that before Monday. Anyway, my friends, take care and thanks for watching this particular video, and peace.